Okay, today I'm going to be doing a wire wreath that I got from the dollar store. I believe this is 10 inches. And I've got this ruler here, which is a Dritz see-through. And I'm going to put the edge of the ruler to the edge of the felt. You can use felt. Felt will not unravel. You can use cotton, but it will unravel, and some people like that look, unravel look. So I will make one like that too, but first I'm going to do the felt. And this is 9 by 12 square of felt that I got at Joann's. I purchased 10 of them. I've got the light pink, the purple, and the hot pink, and the purple. So that's 3 colors. I think I'll start with the purple, which is my favorite color. I also bought one of these, what's the brand? Olfa rotary cutters. I like this because the handle is curved, and also when you push this up and then push it down, then the blade is disengaged automatically. So it will only work if you pull the handle up. So let's see, I'm going to go the 12-inch side straight down, and that's at the first marking, which is 5/8 of an inch. Okay. Try to hold it as tight as you can. Without any shifting. And then you're going to have this little area here where it didn't cut through. So that I'm going to need to cut either with, I think I'll use my scissors. Let's see if this comes apart. Oh, pretty good. Oh, I can use this too, if I can see it. Okay. Alright. And then just pull that apart. I'm new with this rotary cutter, so I'm finding you have to go over it quite a bit to get it to cut through. I don't know if it's like that with cotton or not, but anyways, here we have our whole piece. And then what I'm going to do is fold it in half. So that'll be two 6-inch pieces. Cut it in half. Then I have already put 2 on here, 2 cut pieces. So I'm going to do the first wire, the larger outside wire, in all purple. So you're going to fold this in half, and then you're going to go under the wire and go this way. Let me see if I can get this in front of me more. This seems to me to be the right size. You can make it, make these strips longer, and then you'll have more showing. But for me, I like it this way. Alright, so you're going to have, and then you put your finger through this loop and bring these 2 through the loop from the right to the left. Make sure you got a hold of them both. Pull tight. Alright, this felt is harder, stiffer than normal cotton fabric, so that's all you do, and go around the whole outside. And then next I'll do the I believe the hot pink on this middle wire and then the pale pink here. And if you want to decorate these, you know, use your imagination to embellish. Put little beads on or put sparkles on, whatever, little buttons. I'm not going to be doing that for right now, but later on I might do something different. So, glitter. Yeah, glitter would be pretty. You can maybe even buy felt that has glitter on it. So this is all I wanted to show you, and then I wanted you to continue doing that all the way around. The purple, the hot pink, and the pale pink. And down here, it would be cute if you could dangle like a little heart ornament. I'm sure they have those at the dollar store. And this would be a good size for your front door. I also have some 16-inch heart wreaths, which I ordered through eBay, but it was funny because it came in an Amazon box. So I'm thinking that eBay is selling Amazon products now. But whatever. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Otherwise, I'll show this wreath to you when it's all finished. Have a great day. It's snowing here, so I hope it stops pretty soon. All right. Bye, everyone.